In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add logo to your website or online store. To start, click on the website name and then select image icon. Here you will see a window where you will be able to upload your default logo. The default logo means that it will be used everywhere on your website, and you have to make sure that it looks good with your default page header background. Our default page header background is white, so we can upload a logo that has good contrast with it. So let's say the dark version. And we can see that the logo has been applied. Another thing that we can do is click on the logo and select the resize icon, and then we can drag and drop to adjust the size of the logo. However, there are some exceptions. For example, if we go to homepage, we see that in this page we have a dark background and we uploaded the dark logo. What can we do? We can again click on the website name, select image, and now you will see that there are two other options available. So you need multiple logos only if you use different backgrounds. In this case, we have a dark background, which means that we would need also a light version of our logo so it looks good. So click on the upload button, upload the light version, and you will see that now on the dark background it looks great with our light version, and if we go anywhere else on the site we have the dark version over there. And that's how you upload logo with Mozello.